Ever wondered how you can leverage the power of multi-level inheritance in Java? You're not alone. It's a captivating concept that can truly elevate your programming prowess. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore this intriguing aspect of Java. From introducing the basics to delving into its intricacies, we'll leave no stone unturned. We'll also share key points to remember for practical application. So, are you ready to dive deep into the world of Java and its multi-level inheritance? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of multi-level inheritance in Java. Multi-level inheritance, an essential concept in Java, allows us to create a chain of classes where one class inherits properties from another. In essence, multi-level inheritance is a mechanism that makes Java programming efficient and easy to manage. It's all about classes and how they relate to each other. Picture a family tree. Just as you might inherit traits from your parents and grandparents, in Java, a class known as a subclass can inherit properties from another class, known as the superclass. This superclass, in turn, can be a subclass of another class, thus forming a chain. This chain of classes from superclass to subclass is what we call multi-level inheritance. It's like a cascading effect, where attributes and methods trickle down from one class to another, forming a tree-like structure. This structure helps keep our code organized and reuse code efficiently. Thus, multi-level inheritance forms a tree-like structure of classes in Java. Now that we've got the basics down, it's time to delve deeper into multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance in Java is like a family tree where you've got grandparents, parents, and children. It's a system where a class can be derived from a derived class. This means you can have a class grandparent, a class parent that inherits from grandparent, and a class child that inherits from parent. This cascade of inheritance is what we call multi-level inheritance. Let's walk through the process of implementing this in Java. First, we declare our base class. Let's call it grandparent. This class has its own properties and methods. Next, we declare a new class, parent, using the keyword extends followed by the name of the class it's inheriting from, in this case, grandparent. Now, parent has access to all the properties and methods of grandparent. Finally, we declare another class, child, that extends parent. Just like that, child can access the properties and methods of both parent and grandparent. This is the beauty of multi-level inheritance. It allows for a hierarchy of classes that can borrow or override properties and methods from one another. Now let's talk about the coding aspects. In each class, we use the keyword super to call the constructor of the parent class. This helps to ensure that the inheritance chain is properly set up. We can also override methods in child classes, providing them with a unique implementation while still keeping the structure of the inherited method. But remember, while multi-level inheritance can be incredibly useful, it's also important to avoid creating overly complex inheritance hierarchies. It's crucial to find a balance, ensuring that our code remains organized and easy to understand. As we can see, multi-level inheritance is a powerful tool for code organization and reuse. It allows us to create more efficient, maintainable, and reusable code by taking advantage of the relationships between classes. So next time you're working on a Java project, remember to consider whether multi-level inheritance might be the right tool for the job. Let's recap the key points about multi-level inheritance in Java. At its core, multi-level inheritance is a mechanism that allows one class, the child, to inherit the features of another, the parent. But it doesn't stop there. The child class can become a parent to another, creating a cascading hierarchy of classes, each one building on the features of those above it. This structure serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it fosters code reuse. By inheriting features, new classes can be created with less code, making the coding process more efficient. Secondly, it promotes organization. By grouping related classes into a hierarchy, the structure of the code becomes more logical and easier to understand. Implementing multi-level inheritance in Java is straightforward. The keyword extends creates the connection between parent and child, laying the foundation for the inheritance hierarchy. Remember, multi-level inheritance is all about creating a hierarchy of classes to maximize code reuse and organization. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing concept of multi-level inheritance in Java. If this helped you crack the code, then don't hesitate to hit that like button, share it with your fellow programming enthusiasts, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on Java and a plethora of other programming languages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Happy coding!